fuel system because I changed a fuel filter, so everything was pretty dry. I think I've got everything hooked up here. I've got coolant in it, so we're gonna fire it up. We're gonna see what happens. If you've swapped a motor before, you know this point is always the point where you're like just hoping you got everything together and you're not gonna have any leaks or anything like that. You're usually not too worried about something catastrophic happening, but there's always the chance, who knows. Yeah, so we're gonna fire it up. Listen to this thing purr. Nothing makes you happier than swapping out a motor and getting it fired up and having it just run like $1,000,000. So I'm really excited. I'm going to shut off the camera, double check everything. And obviously I didn't put the bumper cover back on yet because you just don't know and you don't want to have to take it apart again. I think we succeeded, so I'm going to just button everything up here, get the bumper cover on, and I think we're good to go. Here's the conclusion. For now anyways. I've got a few things, a few accessories I want to add to this car, but I've been driving it for about 1,600 miles now. I think I've been driving it for close to 3 weeks now, and it has been working great. So now I'm just working on selling parts off the parts car to try and whittle down on that $7,000, which is going pretty good. So far been a great car, and the price is coming down, and I'll continue to drive it. And I've got a couple more videos coming up on some other accessories I'm going to put on this thing. So hope you've enjoyed following along. Thanks for watching.